Hey everyone. So this is week 2 of my Chrome challenge, in which for 3 months I'll be using just a Chromebook and recording my progress week after week of how I do in an environment that is only web-based applications, um, apps from the Chrome Web Store, and also any hosted solutions. So basically, if there's an app for it, I'll use it. If there is not an app for it, I'll find a hosted solution for it so that it is only web-based to accomplish all my day-to-day activities and tasks. And in the case that there happens to be nothing I can find to get it done, I will get it done by developing an application to accomplish that task. Um, and of course, I share all my progress with you across my blog/Tumblr account, which can be viewed through kayolhope.me. So that's KAYOLHOPE.me. So let's get started. So far, my progress has been pretty good this week. Some things that I want to share with you on how I've been doing some conferencing. I've been using Skype, but of course, there's no application for that that is simply just web-based. For a Chromebook. So of course what I've had to do is actually tweak some of the settings and use an instant messenger program that allows to go through Skype as one of those settings. So what I've used is IMO Instant Messenger. That can actually be found on the Chrome App Store. So I highly suggest using that one. It also links into a number of other instant messengers such as MSN Messenger or slash Windows Live Messenger, as well as Facebook. And also I've been able to get through a lot of IRC applications and forego with that and use web-based applications for that, such as either Midbit, which has a nice Chrome extension for it, and I've also gotten through it by using the Flash-based web application that's embedded in the website that we have here. So kayolhope.me. So you can just go to that. Of course, all this I end up putting in descriptions, which you can see basically below. So depending on where you're viewing this video, whether that be Vimeo, YouTube, etc., etc., I always leave the links and descriptions in there on where you can get each and every application that I go through. I end up having to review these, use them, or build them, and of course I give you detailed instructions on that. Yeah, so basically this week has been pretty easy, basically using Google Docs to get through everything. And of course, listen to music through Grooveshark instead of having to rely on downloading with applications such as iTunes or Winamp or anything like that. I just stream them, and my music list changes so frequently that it's actually probably better using Grooveshark for me. As far as video goes, I don't rely on just YouTube and things of that nature for my video. So of course I use a Netflix account for that, and that does the trick for me. There are also, I'm sure, clients that could be used for that are web-based, that are for torrents. But I'm just going to stick with mentioning that, yeah, Netflix, that for streaming, that works. Yes, so that way I can get TVs and TV shows and movies as well. So that covers that, and music, Groove Shark. There may be also others out there, but those are the main ones, and that covers basically how do I deal with multimedia with it. And it's really not that hard. And when I say multimedia, I mean things that I would normally access using, say, a another operating system, um, without having to have any special applications or anything like that, other than like YouTube.